Bonjour, bonsoir. Voila, on this slide deck, you're going to have a couple different activités that you're going to be working on. This nice pink slide right here has your directions on it. Okay, so there's two more slides. Slide numéro 1, the directions. There are two more slides and an accompanying activity on each. Read the directions and complete both slides. Slide number 2, listening and transcribing. Listen to the conversation all the way through the first time. Make sure you have your notes handy, or you can split screen the laptop. You can have your Voces vocab there, or if you have a paper copy. You are going to use those notes, and you are going to first listen to there's going to be the button that you click is right there to listen to the conversation I have written and recorded here in the violet en français. And you can do it in this dialogue format. Serveur, the server speaks first. And then what does the client say? You're going to have to listen to it a few times. Use your notes to spell correctly. Me, I speak very slowly. I speak very clearly. And then the next thing is you're going to translate that conversation into anglais. Me, so that is practice listening and writing. And then you're going to go down to the next slide. It says slide number 3, two friends at a café dialogue. Right? You are going to create a dialogue between two friends at a café discussing food and drink choices before the server arrives. They can talk about being hungry or thirsty, favorites, anything on our vocab list. The server will arrive and take the friend's order. Again, use vocab from our list. Don't Google Translate a bunch of junk. Use images to be creative and have fun. So I started here. I just used Bitmoji people that I found online, and I built this whole thing. It's very simple. So, you can insert. So image, search the web. And then look, I found a cafe table, transparent background. And it can be, as always, I say, if you want it to be famous people, they've got great cafe images. And then you drag it in, you format it. And then you can, I'll show you, move this stuff. And this, each of these is people by person. Take a screenshot, and then this you can just move all around. I just use the arrows to show that the dialogue goes, the natural flow of a comic is you read it that way and that way. This doesn't necessarily have to be a comic. There's that. Where'd the other one go? Did I lose it? All right. So once you set your friends up, and you can have your friends move, you can have your friend leave, and then you're stuck there by yourself drinking and eating. All right. And then you just insert a shape. And this is where you can find your call outs, your arrows, anything else you need. Go down and to the right, whatever you want. J'ai faim. Moi aussi. Quel est ton plat préféré? Me too. What's your favorite dish? Maybe she's going to say, I love, or my favorite dish is a hot dog. And she'll say, pas moi, whatever. My favorite dish is a hamburger. I don't care. Maybe she also likes hot dogs and they order 25 of them. Then they're going to order their drinks. And so it might take you 1 or 2 slides. So this is going to be where you start your dialogue down here. You're going to get, this slide deck is going to have this slide and this slide, but my little people will be deleted. And so you can you can have complete creative license. You can make it going up and down like the French waiter cafe, where it kind of looks like that, and then the waiter comes in, or you can do it comic strip style like this. I know some of you like to animate. If you want to animate things where the server literally walks in from the right when it's in presentation mode, I want you to be creative using this little bit of vocabulary before I add more. Okay, merci beaucoup. Again, I think this is fun and creative. This, I really want you to listen and transcribe. You've done this for me before. All right, excellent. Good luck, and I will see you soon. Merci beaucoup.